Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another news. Samsung has finally confirmed the exact date and time for the next Unpacked event in February, where the Galaxy S22 series will be unveiling, and we are going to be talking about that, but we are also going to talk about some other details about the S22 series and the Unpacked event. But before we get into, please subscribe the channel if you are new here for daily tech video. So guys, Samsung is going to release 3 S22 next month, and I will get into the exact date and time in a minute, but they are gonna be an S22 and S22 Plus and S22 Ultra. The S22 and S22 Plus are going to be more like the S21 and S21 Plus with a minor upgrades. But the start of the show at the Unpacked event is gonna be Galaxy S22 Ultra, since Samsung is merging the S and Note series into one device, which is gonna be the S22 Ultra. They recently released an official teaser which shows two devices, an S series device on the left and the Note device on the right, merging into super awesome device. So the S22 Ultra is going to be the successor to both the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the S21 Ultra. And that confirms previous rumor that the S22 Ultra is basically going to be a Note device. It's gonna have the boxier design with the slightly curved edges. It's also gonna have an S Pen support, and unlike the S21 Ultra, this is gonna have the S Pen stylo built right into the phone body, so you can easily access and store the S Pen safely and conveniently, just as you would like in the Note device. Well, this new S Pen in the combination with the display is gonna offer a supernatural 2.8 milliseconds writing experience, which is 3 times faster than the 9 millisecond on the Note 20 Ultra and S21 Ultra. And speaking of the display, it's gonna come with a second generation of LTPO technology, so it's gonna be as low as 1 Hz when necessary to save battery life. It's also going to be the brightest display on any smartphone with a peak brightness of up to 750 nits, which basically means it's going to be much brighter than the S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Well, moving forward, on the same day, Samsung is also going to be launching its next generation of flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8 series, which also have 3 variants: the base Tab S8 and the S8 Plus and the Tab S8 Ultra. We might also see a new pair of Galaxy Buds, specifically the second generation of the Galaxy Buds Pro. Anyway, the launch date of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series that Samsung has confirmed itself will be the February 9th, and it's going to be happening on 10 AM Eastern Time. Anyway guys, I am super excited about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, just because the fact it is going to be coming with a massive improvement in all the department. We have a new design, a new camera system, and also we are going to see a new stylus support inside. So super excited about that. So guys, what are your opinion on that? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.